Hi, I'm Dave Cross, Photoshop educator and instructor at Creative Live. This is how to spin an image in Photoshop CS6. Now, when we say spin an image, that can mean a couple of different things. If you have the regular version of Photoshop, generally we can spin things around almost like rotating, but if you have the Photoshop CS6 extended version, you can also experiment with 3D. Here's how to do both. So first, let's talk about the easy one. If I have either an entire image or something on a layer by itself and I want to spin it around, as in rotating, I would go to the Edit menu and use Free Transform. It puts these handles, but if I just move just outside the handle, you'll see I get this little curved arrow, which is my rotation symbol. Now I can click and drag. Now by default, what's going to happen is going to rotate around this little center image. If I hit Escape for a moment and then press the keyboard shortcut Command or Control T, you can see here's that little point. I can also move it if I want to rotate around a different point. So now when I go to rotate, you see how it's rotating around that reference point that I put up in the top left instead of in the middle. Like anything when you're doing this kind of transformation, we always have to tell Photoshop we're finished by committing our transformation. So I have the extended version, so I can attempt to kind of spin this in 3D space. If I go to the 3D menu and choose New Mesh from Layer and then Postcard, that changes the image into this 3D, and now I can just simply drag on it and see now I'm in effect spinning it as if it's in 3D space. Once I'm happy, I can just click on the background layer, and now I have what looks kind of like it's been spun a little bit in that 3D space. And as always, I would save both a PSD version and a JPEG as a finished copy of this file. Now remember, in order to do this 3D rotation, you have to have the extended version of Photoshop, and then you can rotate in that 3D space. Otherwise, you can use Free Transform to rotate any angle you want.